Good morning all of you. Class 1 Pine, are you ready for the computer class? Okay, I hope you all are ready. Good morning beta, good morning all of you. Good morning. You all please take out your computer book. Okay, you all are ready. You are good boys and girls. I know you all are ready. Then you all please take out your computer book. I am fine, Jareen. You all please take out your computer book and open chapter number 8. Chapter number 8, page number 70. Page number 70. Okay. You all please take out your computer book and open chapter number 8, page number 70. Today I want to start a new chapter, data and memory. The chapter name is data and memory. Okay. Previous chapter book exercise completed. Have you written the question answer and everything whatever done in the previous class? Question answer, tick the correct, true, false. This chapter my practice zone completed. Have you completed that work or not? Okay, completed. Okay, very good beta. Now so today I want to start the new chapter, chapter number 8, and your term 2 syllabus, chapter number 6, 7 and 8. Chapter number 6, 7 and 8. Okay beta. Your term 2 syllabus, chapter number 6, 7 and 8. Computer syllabus of term 2. Chapter number 6, 7, 8. Okay. Chapter number 6, computer syllabus of term 2, chapter number 6, 7 and 8. Okay beta. Now everyone please follow me carefully, and if you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask me. Okay. Let's start now. Data and memory. Data and memory. Have you opened your book? Have you opened this or not? Now Priya, tell me about yourself. Priya, Priya, tell me about yourself. What is your age and your hobby? I will store this data in my computer. Now Rahul replied. Now Rahul asked to Priya, and Priya replied, Rahul, I am 5 years old. I am 5 years old and I love to paint. Its hobby, paint. I love to paint. But why call it data? But she don't know what is called data. But why call it data? Data is anything. What is data? Data is anything whatever you can write, whatever you can send in the computer, maybe letter, maybe word, anything that is called data. Data is anything that you write using letter, words and numbers. Let me tell you more about this. Now I will discuss in this chapter about data and memory. Then Priya replied, okay, sure. Now data and information. Next page, you all please follow. What is data? Data is anything. What is data? Data is anything that you write in letters and numbers. That you write in letter or numbers is known as data. Anything that you write in letters and numbers is known as data. For example, what is data? Ravi, it's a data. It's a letter, right? Ravi, it's a data. And 6, it is also a data. And here's written 12022012. These 3 are called data. These are called data. It is the example of data. It's the letters and numbers, and other character also is there. here I am given dot, it's maybe this one also, it's called a data. Now information, what is called information? Okay, information, a computer does not works on its own. Computer is a machine, it can do anything its own? No, it cannot. Whatever instructions we are given to the computer, computer can do only that part. We cannot, computer cannot do anything on its own, because computer doesn't have its own brain, it cannot take the decision, it cannot do its own. Whatever instructions we are given, user are given. Who are user? Who is using the machine? Suppose in a machine you are sitting, you are the user. Whatever instruction you are given to the computer, computer can do only that part. Okay, so computer does not work on its own. You need to work on it by entering the data. You have to send the data and you have to give the instruction to the computer, and then computer do the work. Okay, and information, what is information? Information is the processed, information is the processed and organized form of data. Information is the process. Information, when you give the informations and that when you give the data to the computer and information, that means it will a organized form of data. It is a organized form of data. So information is the processed and organized form of data. It gives meaning of the data. It gives the meaning of data. When I send the data only Rabi 6 and that date 12 to 2012, but it doesn't have any meaning, but it have a meaning. We just send the data in this manner, and then information through the process, and it's given a meaning. That means information is the process, information it will process an organized form of data. Then information tells Ravi is 6 years old. This is information. Ravi is 6 years old and took admission in the school on 12 to 2012. 12 to 2012. It is the information. This is data. Ravi 6 and this date. It is a data. And information, when I am telling this, Ravi is 6 years old and took admission in the school on 12 to 2012. It is a information. Then it is called the information. It gives meaning to the data. Information gives meaning to the data. Okay, for example, Ravi is 6 years old and took admission in the school on 12 to 2012, right? And when we write only this is called a data. This is called a data. Okay, now you all please take out your pencil and we will solve. Let's check part. Let's check. This part we will solve. You all please take out your pencil. Let's check. Tick against data. Tick against data and cross against information. Tick against data while cross out the information. Cross out the information. First, let's check. Now we will solve this part. Number A. First number A. Archana, 8 books, rupees 300. It is called a data or information. It is data or information. If data, tick. Very good, Devayan. It is a data. If the data, then you have to tick. Data, tick. Very good, Rishabh. Very good, Kaustubh, Devayan, Rishabh. Very good, all of you. Next, number B. Snehal wrote 10 sentences on the topic my computer. Snehal wrote 10 sentences on the topic my computer. It is a information. Cross. Very good, Devayan. Very good, Rishabh. Rishabh, B tick. No beta, B false. B, it is the information. B information. Kaustubh, you are correct beta. Devayan correct. Information. So you have to cross it. Number B cross, because it is a information. Now number C. Okay, Priyanka brought Minajuddin tick, T-I-C-K. First of all, this spelling is wrong. T-I-C-K tick. And which one tick? Number A or B? You have to say numbering. Otherwise, I can't understand. Now number C. Priyanka brought 2 story books. Priyanka brought 2 storybooks and 1 notebook from a shop. It is the information. See, information. Very good, beta. Okay, Mirajuddin, then you are correct, beta. A, tick, it's a correct. Now she cross. Very good, Rishabh. Very good, Devayan. Very good, Kostov. She is information, so you have to cross it. C, information, so you have to cross it. Next number D. Next number D. Ravi 20 runs 4 over. Ravi 20 runs 4 over. It is a data. We are just given the few data. Ravi 20 runs and 4 over. So it is data. You have to tick this. You have to tick this one. Now computer memory. Done, everyone? Very good all of you. Now computer memory. Let's you all please see the picture carefully. It is your homework because you have to look the picture 5 minutes. You all will look the picture 5 minutes and then you all will turn over the next page and then you write here. Now try to recall and write any 8 things that you remember from the picture in the given boxes. Any 8 things whichever you have seen in the picture, you have to write it. Through this we can check our memory. We can check your memory. Okay, so you see the picture carefully. 5 minutes you will see the picture and then turn over the page and then you have to write the box any 8 things that you remember from the picture. Okay, from this we can check our memory. Okay, and a CPU works on the data stored in the computer's memory. Computer, okay, very good. If you can write, it's a very good memory you have. Okay, now it is your homework. You will do it in your home because I cannot write. If I write all this information, then we cannot check your memory. Show your parents to see this how much you can write without seeing. First you will watch the picture 5 minutes and then turn over the page and you all will write. How many items did you wrote? Did you write? How many items did you write? We have to check it. How do you remember these items? You stored anything in your memory. That means how you can store in your memory. And in the same way, a computer remember and store a lots of data in its memory. In this manner, computer also can store the data. We forget sometime, but computer never forget because all the information it can store in its memory. Okay, as a written form. So it cannot forget. But sometimes we forget, but computer never. And never done any mistake also. Control Z, undo the last action. Now CPU works on the data stored in the computer memory. Whatever stored in the computer memory, CPU can work on this data. Okay, now we have to, and hard disk inside the computer. In the CPU there is a hard disk. Hard disk is a storage device. Inside the hard disk computer can store, and the RAM, ROM, these are there. Later next class you will learn, and these all are the storage device where we can store the data. Okay beta, now we will write them, we will solve my practice zone. You all please take out your pencil and solve this part, my practice zone. Okay, number A, fill in. First fill in the blanks. We will do number A first. Raw facts and figures is known as data. You all please write down in your book. Raw facts and figures is called a data. DATA. Next number B. The computer remembers. Very good, Kostap. The computer remembers and stores a lot of data in its memory. Computer can store lots of data in its memory. 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 Next number C. Asha 4 books ₹100 is an example of dash, is an example of data. Very good everyone. Number C, data. DATA. Next number D. The processed form of data is known as The processed form of data is known as information. Number D, information. Okay, the processed form of data is known as information. I-N-F-O-R-M-A-T-I-O-N. Information. I-N-F-O-R-M-A-T-I-O-N. Information. Okay, now right side we will solve true, false. Number 2, true or false. Number A, first number A. Number A, figure and numbers are a part of data. Yes, figures and numbers are a part of data. Number A, figures and number are a part of data. Yes, it is true. Number A, true. Next number B. Number A true beta. Debaran, number A true. Figures and numbers are a part of our data. Okay. And now number B. Information is stop. Number A true. Number B. Information is always unorganized data. Information always is unorganized data. Organized data. So number B false. Number B false. Next number C. Radha. Yes, Radha has won a medal is an example of data. Yes, it is a false. It is a information. Radha has won a medal. It is an example of information, not data. So it is also false. Number C, false. Next number D. The power of remember information. The power to remember information is known as memory. Yes, number D, true. Number D, true. Okay, done everyone? Fill in the blanks. A, data. B, memory. C, data. D, information. And number 2, true, false. A, true. B, false. C, false. And D, true. I hope you all have completed. Now you all please take out your computer notebook. We have to write the question answer. You all please take out your computer notebook. First write the question and then answer. Okay beta, first you all write down the question and then answer. Question number 1. What is memory? What is memory? Write down the answer. A place in the computer. A place in the computer where a place in the computer where it remember and stores the data. Okay, a place in the computer where it remember and stores the data. It is a memory. Okay, what is memory? A place in the computer where it remember and stores the data. Okay, now question number 2. Mention any one difference. Mention any one difference between data and information. Left side you all write down data and right side information. You all are writing? I hope You all are writing now. This side write down. Data is anything. Data is anything. Data is anything you write in letters and write. Anything you write that you write in letters and numbers. Data is anything that you write in letters and numbers. And the right side write down information. Information is the information is the processed and organized form of data. Organized form of data. Okay, left side write down. Data is anything that you write in the letters and numbers, and information is the processed and the organized form of data. Okay, done everyone? Very good beta. Now here think and do. No need to write this one, you just listen to me. Agurika's father was clicking picture using his phone. Suddenly a message appears on the phone saying no space, you need to take backup. What does this mean? This means computer memory is full. This means that the memory of the phone is fully filled. Okay, now picture based exercise, same as you have to remember the number, see the number and then cover it and write down in the box beside which one space is given, you have to write. This is also your memory test. Okay, you do it on. Now activity, look the picture and tell, look the picture 5 minutes and then cover with the paper. Now write the count and following in the given table. I am just discussing, this is also your memory check. Here in this picture, cat 3 cat, tree 1 2, tree 2, hut 1, dog 2, bird 2, and here is mouse also 2, and the tractor 1. Okay, tractor 1. You all will do it odd. This is your memory test. Who are present, please write down P so that I can take your attendance. Do you have any doubt, any queries beta? If you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask me.